A very warm welcome into the second module of
Week 5
the course Introduction to Intellectual Property.
In this session, we would be discussing about
what is industrial design, what do industrial designers do.
So all this list, it is not at all patentable in India.
What all are the emerging areas in intellectual property?
What is the procedure generally it is followed for the registration of that copyright? So what you have to do, one word is acting as a trademark and we call it as a device mark. Encouraging the development of filing the application, preparing the application and the benefit. Case study on IP and technology transfer where we will see a few examples. Now there is a time for the quiz, okay? Whether really IP protection is necessary when we are talking about a technology transfer?
In the current knowledge economy, the intellectual property rights plays very important role.
So one of the cases which actually happened in the US was more to do with the intent.
It actually gives any organization or a company that competitive advantage when you have an
So
IP.
when to go for a patent or an industrial design is something which bothers even the organizations.
You are required to share your technical know-how in order to execute this idea on a commercial front.
When we are doing a mini project, we are expecting you to do some activity related to intellectual property. Some IP will be created, some good entrepreneurial activity will start. Now I can just give you few examples so that what will happen, you will get the idea, yes, this is a young boy, but still he have developed that particular thing.
Because in the hearing it is an opportunity to explain if there is any communication gap in understanding the invention or in appraising the technical aspect of the invention.
The NOC state that there is no similar or identical registered or pending trademark
Okay.
to the proposed
So it
work.
says that the proprietor of a design may be the author of the design.
So both farmers as well as breeders have a win-win situation with the hybrid.
Brief description of the layout design that
Okay.
he wishes to register.
Okay.
If you have chosen your category as in body incorporate, it is supposed on your part to provide the name of a private limited.
Just before closing, I would like to request all my youngsters who are watching this program is that they could be from any field, but try to focus on IP creation. Just ensure also that they should complete all those modules which we are putting as part of Kapila training program. That will really help us in actually ensuring that the army of IP experts which we want to create in this country gets created through this entire initiative.